$5.97, $5.98, $5.99.
Are you ready?
$600. Oh my, I'm so ready.
Family up together, and let's have a great time. Hello beautiful friend, and welcome back to another episode of Eating Well with Muriel. Special Thanksgiving today with Ted, and I'm gonna show him how to make some really easy, super fast, very simple recipe. As usual, you guys know I have 6 cookbooks now, and I sold about 800,000 of them, and they all work and they're amazing. Ted, what do you have to say about this? Tell us about yourself, please. We cannot wait.
You know, I'm unemployed, I've been taking naps all day. I'm just excited, and most importantly, I'm hungry.
Great, this is the perfect person for this. Let's do it, shall we?
So, all right, this is garlic powder, onion powder, and chili pepper. And we're gonna mix this with apricot jam right about now. Once we do this, we're gonna add soy sauce to this little bit of pepper, gonna mix it up. You have no idea what I'm getting into.
Now you're gonna put your chicken, don't leave it out for an hour like I do. You know, try to like keep things cold, no salmonella for anyone. Ding, voila. And then you're gonna put it in a bag. Ted, you wanna show us how to do this? Are you good at that kind of thing?
Bagging things is really not my expertise, but this right now that I have going is very, very fun.
Okay, perfect. I think we're doing great. Just to show you guys, you can do anything with whatever you have at home. We will make it work, and my cookbook shall help you. Okay, then you have to put all of this in there. What are you doing?
All of this?
Are you a sous chef or what? Come on. Okay, then you're gonna zip this up, right? Like whatever you do it. And we're gonna leave it in the fridge for like about an hour if you want. If you have only a half hour, it's fine. And then we're gonna bake it at 400 for about 10 minutes, all right?
A few moments later.
Then you take this after you have your cold bag in about an hour in the fridge. You do this, which all of you can do, I have faith, right?
If I can do it, anybody can do it. 18 minutes in the oven. How about that, folks?
I would do 10 minutes on each side.
Okay, 10 minutes on each side, and that's all part of the fun. I'm gonna set the timer.
Okay, well.
$5.97, $5.98, $5.99.
Are you ready?
$600. Oh my, I'm so ready. Here we are with our crispy chicken.
The super crispy.
That's a lifestyle, folks. Crispy is the way to live.
Perfect. Are you gonna put this in the tray, Ted, or what? Are you good for something?
No, I'm good for nothing. All right, here we go, folks.
Okay.
And now I'm going to
Oh, what? Guest? I'm going.
select this chicken.
Well, hello. Welcome to our special Friendsgiving. Would you like to see what we have ready for you? You guys, let's toast to this wonderful Thanksgiving for friends, family together, and let's have a great time and enjoy everything about this beautiful holiday. And I learned so much today. Here you go, Ted.
Oh, thank you. And I love you too.
Thank you for watching Eating Well with Muriel.
Yes, you
I'll give you some too.
Yes, you are.